Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 25 Valerian Court in Christie Downs. I've got a real surprise packet. Neat and tidy home, upgraded kitchen and bathroom, great deck, awesome entertaining area, and also you've got a beautiful sea view. Why don't we go inside and check it all out?
Strawberry summer wine, so sweet and so divine. Won't let it pass me by. I can't help it. I'm feeling selfish, 'cause I just want days like this forever. I just can't pull myself together. Feel like this nicer weather won't last.
So there you have it. I absolutely love this home. It's so neat and tidy with the upgraded kitchen and bathroom, and this backyard is absolutely amazing. You've got great entertainment space, great decking space, and the access down to the shed down the side of the home is phenomenal as well. And of course, when you throw into that the beautiful view, it's just a perfect combination for our young first home buyers and our investors. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.